General Manager here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland, Texas. Today we're actually standing in the master bathroom of the Horizon 56. We just kind of wanted to bring you into a little bit different space than we normally show you. A lot of times we're showing you the kitchen because that is an important part of the house. But second to that is typically the master bathroom. Our customers want to make sure that they've got plenty of space, and this tub is a new addition to our Palm Harbor Fort Worth factory. We love this tub. Just so you know, if for some reason it doesn't fit your taste, we do have other options. But actually the reason we wanted to come to you today is to kind of let you know why it's important for you to buy now and not later. If you've been watching the news at all, you know lumber prices continue to soar. The positive though is that interest rates have maintained a historic low. So what we have been able to do, being the largest model center in the state of Texas, and we like to share that with you guys because we're proud of it, is we're able to have a lot of homes already on order that are coming in, so that you're not having to wait the full backlog time, and you're able to go ahead and get approved, lock in your rate, lock in your loan, and then in the event that interest rates do rise, your loan's already locked and you've secured the better financing. So we really want you to take advantage of this time. Go ahead and come in. We have several lenders, so regardless of your credit score, regardless of your income, we typically will have a program for you. We do have a zero down option if your credit score is 700 and higher. Is that
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. So 700 and higher, zero down program, so you don't have to come out of pocket any money. And that's not even having to use your land as the down payment. So if you don't have a 700 credit score, that's okay too. We do have options with as little as 5% down if your credit score is 600 or above. And then we always do FHA and VA, and we have an FHA program. You're going to want to hear this. So whatever you're doing, just stop for a second and listen. We have an FHA program that will allow you to be as low as a 500 credit score and still get an approval.
Wait. A what?
I know, right? We're one of the only ones that can offer that, which is great. But yes, it's an FHA program with a credit score as low as 500. You only have to put 10% down. I mean, that's huge. So we can find your land. We have a local realtor. We can find the perfect home for you. We can do all of the improvements. So we're a turnkey builder. And we just want you to come out and just look and see what your options are. Let us explain everything to you from start to finish and find the perfect fit for you. Again, we're a 7-acre model center. We have access to over 300 floor plans, and we have access to 7 different builders. So come and see us today. 281-592-8600 is how you'll reach us. Give us a comment if you have questions or want to set up an appointment time, or you can find us at 1152 Frontage Road, Cleveland, Texas. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.
Eddie says you're looking good, girl.
Who?
Eddie Johnson.
Oh, Eddie.